food world with Ricardo Nunes and Antonia septimo. And the kitchen, we are fire. Hi guys, okay. Welcome to our kitchen from We Love Food Worlds, and my name is Antonia, and I'm cooking today stir fry rice noodle. This is really simple and delicious. Okay, and guys, meron tayong mga recipe is around me, so ipapakita ko sa inyo. Okay. Okay people, ayan, meron tayong onion, garlic, and pork. Meron tayong teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, salt, and pepper. At yung mixed vegetable and rice noodles. Ayan people. So, it's really easy this. Okay guys, lagyan na natin yung olive oil, okay? Wow. Ayan. Lagay natin yung onion. Ayan. Amazing. Amazing people. Okay. Lagay natin yung garlic. Ayan. Wow. Napakasarap. It smell very aroma and delicious. Look at this. Lutuin lang natin. Okay. Lagay na natin yung pork. Ayan. Okay guys. Lagay natin yung pork. You know guys, I'm always joyful during I really like it. Wow. Really easy, it's really simple guys. Ayan, lutuin muna natin. Let's cook a little bit the pork. Lagyan natin siyang pork, okay? Okay. Okay, lagay na natin yung pepper. Okay, salt. Halo and mix together. Ayan. Lagay din natin yung teriyaki sauce. Lagay natin yung soy sauce. Wow, it smells nice. Look at that. Look at this. Okay guys, lagay natin yung this. Amazing yan. Lagay natin yung vegetable, okay? Ayan. So, ayan. Just mix it. Amazing. Wow. Look at that guys. Okay guys, lagyan na natin yung rice noodles. Okay, wow. Amazing. Look at that. Look at delicious people. Mmm. Yummy. Look at that. Amazing. Wow. Look at this, guys. Oh. Rice noodles. I love rice noodles. And I'll be ready soon. Amazing. Look at this, guys. Oh, yum, yum. Mm. Ah, yum. I can smell it's delicious, guys. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Mm. Fantastic, isn't it? Lovely, guys. Lovely. Hola, Carlos Diaz, Elsa Benzi, Virginia Luli, Nikki, Paula Vera, Luis Cacan, Sila Santini, Brenya Comer. Mwah! Hola, amigo Carlos Diaz, Elsa Benzi, Virginia Luli, Ven a comer. ¡Mua! Okay, guys, look at this. Look at my noodles. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at my noodles. Look at my noodles. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at my noodles. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at my noodles, yummy, yummy, yummy. In the kitchen, we are fire. Okay, people, meron din tayong garlic bread. That is yummy. With noodles, amazing. Guys, get ready. Okay, guys, look at this. Oh, amazing. The noodles and the garlic bread is here. Okay. Ayan. Okay, natin yung garlic bread. Yummy garlic bread. Amazing. Okay. Next is the noodles, people. Okay. Wow, amazing. Yummy. It's really hungry. I feel hungry today. Really hungry, guys. Ayan. Of course. That's amazing. Really amazing people. Yeah. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, lagyan natin siya ng a little bit parsley on top. It's like green thing. Okay, people, look at this. Noodles, red, garlic bread. Okay, yummy. Nice. Oh guys, look at this. Amazing noodles. And the garlic bread. Fantastic. Carlos Diaz, Elsa Benzi, Binya Kamem. Ayan, try na natin yung noodles ko. Okay, I'm gonna try this, guys. Hi all people all over the world, and hopefully you like my recipe today and enjoying my stir fry noodles with the vegetable and garlic bread. It look fantastic and good for everyone. And look at this. Sana po nagustuhan nyo yung noodles ko ngayon at halika na at kumain na tayo at nagkakagutom, people. Guys, look at this. Amazing. Pag hindi kayo sayo na ng steak, maganda na tayo. Tinidor. Tinidor o kutsaka. Oh my God. So yummy. I love it. Look at pork. Delicious. Amazing. Okay guys, in the kitchen, we are fire! Okay, tikman na natin yung garlic bread. Ayan. Ito naman yung garlic bread. Sarap. Very easy to make the garlic bread, guys. Garlic, blend it, and basil and butter, you know, so just mix together and put on top of the bread. Done. So it's yummy. Very nice, people. Thank you for watching and hopefully you like my recipe today. Noodles rice, and please watch and like, press the button above, on the button, sorry, and subscribe. Mwah. Love you, people. Mwah. Love you all. Mwah. Salud. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food
from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know a channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food